Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll share how you can go about the issue of an inverted mirrored text in Solidworks. Let me first design a piece of block with some text, and try to mirror the text to the opposite side of the block. You can't get the text to read from left to right and flipped. The solution is to use another feature in SolidWorks rather than the mirror feature. This feature is called Derived Sketch. Select the sketch where you have your text. While holding the Control key, select the face you want to put your text on. You then go to Insert and click Derived Sketch. This will still be a flipped text, but this time, you can make it right. In the Feature Manager tree, right-click the Derived Sketch and underive it. Double-click the text to edit it. Choose the curve for the text, and then click the Flip Horizontal button. You now have a properly placed text on the other side of the block. I hope this has been useful to you. Press the like button if you like it, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you for watching.